What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Working on the Foxbody today. I've been working on it every now and then off camera, so I did get a little bit done to it. I got the inner rocker. I got it in. The first panel I cut for it I did not like. I ended up cutting it back out and making a new panel that fit tighter, and that went right in. I was blowing through the other one because of the gaps I had. Didn't take my time and get it, that gap for the butt weld nice and tight. So yeah, I was blowing through it, decided to cut it out, said screw it, and the new one went in really good. I'll show that to you, and then we are going to, it's very windy, we're gonna put a little patch panel in at the where the passenger, right where the floorboard meets kind of the firewall. It was rotted there, so we're going to put this new piece in, and then hopefully we'll be ready to put the floor in this weekend. I've only been able to work on it after work every day for about an hour or two every day, so I haven't really wanted to set up the camera for that. But yeah, I will show you guys what I got done, and then we will weld this piece in and fit the floor. Hopefully the floor fits really good. I have fitted a couple times so far, but it's kind of off because of how much I haven't cut out yet. But I know, they say measure twice, cut once, and especially when butt welding, I want to butt weld this because technically I guess that's the right way to do it instead of doing spot welds everywhere. Even though it's easier and you can just seam seal it, I don't know, my OCD won't let me do that, so I'd rather butt weld it. But yeah, I'll show you guys what we're going to do today. So I got the welder set up. So I have this sprayed with some weld through primer. It kind of blended really good. I don't know if you remember this from the last video, but this was gone, rotten. But anyway, I did get it pretty good. I got it pretty tight. Cut this out actually, and then redid behind here. Cleaned it up. I did some Marhide on it, rust converter. Then I hit it with some primer. Got that welded back together. It's definitely tell it was cut apart, but this isn't a beautiful car. We're just gonna make it whole again. There's so much rust that it just doesn't make sense to try to restore this to the original factory, quality, or it'll be better than factory, pretty much stronger. It might not look as pretty, but it'll get the job done for what I want. I want this to be a nice drag build. So yeah, we could kind of do it however we want, and yeah, but this is the panel that I made. I kind of left myself this little lip down here, so that way when I set the floor pan in, I have something to, I'm gonna weld it to that, spot weld it to that. We got our spots where we're gonna spot weld drilled out. I just gotta, hold it in kind of tight. Where I want it. There is a little gap right there, but yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod, and then we will get this all butt welded in. That gap is tighter, I just have to push the panel up. But yeah, once we get that done, I got the frame rail all cleaned up. All the holes I drilled through, I kind of went by and I plugged them up and grinded them down. The ones I didn't go through all the way, I'm not even gonna worry about filling them. They should be fine. But yeah, I'll get you set up on the tripod and we'll get to welding this in. Alright, camera ran out of batteries. Oh, my phone died. Using my phone. But it died, so I charged it. I was able to get some more done. Am I happy with it? Yes. Is it professional? No. It's a learning experience. So yeah, it's in there for now. I need to get I think it's an air saw. No, not an air saw. I do need one of those. The belt grinder. You know what I'm talking about, 1/2 inch by whatever it is. I need to get one of those so I can get into the tight spots. But here it is. So this is it. We got it in. I'm not too worried about. Too worried about it. A little hole I missed right there. Like I said, I'm not a professional. It's a learning experience. So I made a little extra over here for when I slide the new pan in and cut this, so I could kind of bend that up and fill the hole that was there. And then on this side, I'll make a little patch for right there, go about right there and then down. So that shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, I'm not too worried about the welds. Those are, I want to say, undercut. I think that's what it's called. Not sure. Anyway, they're in there. I built them up a little bit. I just didn't grind those down. My Milwaukee, that thing eats batteries pretty quick. But I wasn't able to get that done when I had the Milwaukee out. So I'm gonna order me one of those air grinders or air pneumatic belt grinders, belt sanders, whatever you want to call it, and clean that up probably the next time I'm in here to get the floor in. But yeah, this is a nice little patch we did. And to be honest, when I'm done with the whole floor and everything's in, I'll probably either prime it and then rhino line it, or just rhino line it. And then once we're done with that, we'll tackle that side. We have the same thing to look forward to right there in that corner. So that should hopefully be just a little easier. That rocker doesn't look like it's all the way gone like the other side, so fingers crossed. But yeah, this ooh, almost fell. This side is almost done. So yeah, I'm gonna test fit the floor real quick and throw the panel in here, and I might cut out what I need to cut out. So let me get that in. All right, so slid the panel in, and back here I'll have to do a little more work. I don't think these were straight from the from wherever they were made. Probably China. Does it say that on there? Made in Taiwan. Okay, yeah, made in Taiwan. Anyway, so my car does not have these, so I kind of banged them flat a little bit. I need to go get like a hammer and dolly and really work those out. But yeah, gonna have to push it down. You can see I already drew the line to cut. So that's all filled in up there. No more huge gaps, and that nice lip rests real good on that lip. Yeah, so once the rest is cut out, I can go ahead and start putting that in there. I'm having second thoughts on if I'm gonna butt weld this entire piece, or if I'm gonna leave just enough to spot weld it all the way down. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, contemplating whether I should butt weld it or just spot weld it in place. If you have any suggestions, feel free to leave a comment or message me on here, you know. I don't know if you can even do that. But yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you think I should do. Obviously, butt welding is going to be really hard. I am not a professional. I just started. This is the second time I did it. First time was the inner rocker, which was easy because it was all straight, and this one kind of had a little curve in it. But yeah, Let me know if I should butt weld it or if I should just spot weld it and save myself some time, because that will be a lot faster to do it that way. But yeah, remember to subscribe if you want to follow this build. I don't know when I'm gonna have all the metal work done, but hopefully soon. I mean, it's a lot of rust to repair. And like I said, this car, it's not going to be a factory resto. It's too far gone. All I'm doing right now is just saving it from the junkyard, giving it another chance at life, and hopefully turning this into a nice drag car that I can keep for a while and have some fun with. And yeah, so neighbor's home. So yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll be able to get this floor pan in a couple of days, hopefully Saturday my time, so I probably won't be able to upload the video till Sunday, Monday. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Said it a million times. I feel like I am a broken record. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.